Okay, so you know I go out and I ride in the middle of the night, and there's nothing out here. Nothing for miles, usually, except for small towns and nice people. Some of the things you might see could get pretty cool, alright? So we have a red moon or orange moon on the rise, right? We got some city glow, but my phone is making that a lot brighter than what I can see. Now, as you get further out from Dallas, you know, you might get 3 or 4 hours out. You can see some night lightning sometimes, and you might even see a UFO or two. Oh, yeah, I'm not kidding. You know, Stephenville is famous for its UFO sightings. So, hey, get out there in the middle of the night and ride. And I saw, must have been 3 cars, and a raccoon and a cat and something else that looked like a wild animal. I don't know what it was. But yeah, there's wild pigs out here. There's all kinds of stuff. You just got to see it.